Have you ever noticed how the arrangement of furniture in a room can affect your mood? A cramped layout might leave you feeling stifled, while a spacious one can evoke a sense of peace. This interplay between our surroundings and our well-being lies at the heart of Feng Shui. Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese practice, translates to wind and water. It's about harmonizing our living spaces with these natural elements to invite positive energy and create balance. By understanding and applying Feng Shui principles, we can transform our homes into havens of relaxation and tranquility. From decluttering to optimizing spatial arrangement, Feng Shui offers practical solutions to reduce stress and enhance well-being. The core principles of Feng Shui revolve around the flow of qi, the life force energy, and achieving balance in the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. By optimizing these elements in our homes, we can create an environment that nurtures our minds and souls. Clutter is more than just untidiness. It's stagnant energy that weighs down our minds and spirits. Piles of paper, overflowing drawers, and disorganized belongings create visual chaos that disrupts the flow of qi. This can lead to feelings of stress, overwhelm, and even anxiety. The first step towards a relaxing home is to embark on a decluttering journey. Start by identifying areas where clutter accumulates and tackle them one by one. Ask yourself, do I use this item regularly? And does it bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to let go. Organizing is just as crucial as decluttering. Invest in storage solutions that suit your needs and aesthetic preferences. Use drawer dividers, shelves, and baskets to keep belongings categorized and easily accessible. Remember, a clutter-free home is a sanctuary for the mind. In Feng Shui, qi is the life force energy that flows through all living things, including our homes. When qi flows smoothly and gently, it promotes harmony, health, and well-being. However, blocked or stagnant qi can lead to feelings of lethargy, negativity, and imbalance. Furniture placement plays a crucial role in optimizing the flow of qi. Avoid placing large furniture pieces directly in front of doors or windows, as this can obstruct the flow. Instead, arrange furniture to create clear pathways and allow qi to circulate freely. Mirrors are powerful tools in Feng Shui, as they can amplify light and energy. Placing a mirror strategically across from a window can help to bounce natural light deeper into a room. However, avoid placing mirrors directly opposite beds, as this can disrupt sleep by reflecting too much energy. Colors have a profound impact on our moods and emotions. In Feng Shui, different colors are associated with specific elements and energies, making them powerful tools for creating a desired ambiance. Cool colors such as blues and greens are known for their calming and tranquil effects. They are ideal for bedrooms and bathrooms, where relaxation is key. Warmer colors like yellows and oranges can evoke feelings of optimism and joy, making them suitable for living areas and kitchens. Lighting is equally important in setting the mood of a space. Natural light is the most invigorating and uplifting, so maximize it by keeping windows unobstructed and using sheer curtains to allow soft light to filter through. In the evenings, opt for warm, soft lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Imagine a space in your home dedicated solely to relaxation and rejuvenation. This could be a reading nook, a meditation corner, or even a luxurious bathtub. Creating a designated relaxation space allows you to escape the stresses of daily life and recharge your batteries. Incorporating natural elements into your sanctuary can further enhance its calming effects. A small water feature, such as a tabletop fountain, can create a sense of peace and tranquility. Plants not only purify the air but also connect us to nature, fostering a sense of grounding and serenity. Engage your other senses as well. Play calming music, nature sounds, or white noise to create a soothing auditory backdrop. Introduce calming scents like lavender or chamomile through essential oil diffusers or scented candles. Remember, your sanctuary should be a feast for all the senses, inviting you to unwind and let go. Creating a relaxing home environment is not about achieving perfection, but about making conscious choices that nurture our well-being. By incorporating the principles of Feng Shui, We can transform our living spaces into sanctuaries that promote peace, harmony, and relaxation. Start by decluttering and organizing your belongings, creating a sense of spaciousness and clarity. Then, focus on optimizing the flow of qi through strategic furniture placement and the use of mirrors. Embrace the power of color and lighting to evoke desired moods and create a sense of calm. Finally, dedicate a space in your home solely for relaxation, incorporating natural elements and engaging all your senses. By implementing these Feng Shui principles, you can create a home that reflects your inner peace and provides a haven from the stresses of daily life.